Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. I'm just going to show you my new Ultralight Titanium Cook Kit. It's a Snow Peak 750 milliliter titanium pot. Pot itself weighs 4.8 ounces. It's got nice little handles. Comes with a stainless steel lid. I'm not really sure why they do a stainless steel lid, not a titanium lid. I use the BRS titanium stove. Stove with the sack weighs 1 ounce. It's a nice little stove. A lot of reviews for this stove on YouTube. I've never had any problems with it. I carry a Jetboil canister stand. Give a little bit more support to the pot and canister when it's cooking. Weighs 1.1 ounce. I carry a 110 gram canister. Weighs in at 7.4 ounces. I know you don't count that as the weight of the cook kit, but I have it in there anyways. Then I have a mini Bic lighter, which weighs ½ ounce. Altogether, the whole cook kit with the canister is 14.3 ounces. Without the canister, it's 7.2 ounces. I have not used it yet. Just got it. It is my first titanium pot. Before this, I used a GSI Duelist, but I haven't used it yet, but it's gonna get used. I've used the stove a lot. I actually like it a lot. This is a good little stove. A lot of reviews on YouTube about it. It gets good reviews. Lid's pretty interesting. It's got this little handle right here. It's got these two little hooks. Handles also a lid hanger, which is nice if you like that, but I'm not sure about it. And the two little hooks, hook it on, and you can pour out of the little hole there. But altogether, like I said, altogether it weighs 7.2 ounces without the fuel, which is, I think, a really nice weight. And then I also have I carry a Tokes long-handled spork, which weighs like 1 ounce. I'll have the grams in the description